Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn how React works. React is simply us building reusable user interface components using JavaScript and JSX. Now, before I explain what JSX means, let me explain what components are. In simple terms, components are parts of your web page, like the navbar or the banner or the footer. These are components and can actually be made to stand alone so that they can be reused later by anyone. If you remember, when we learned Bootstrap, we went on the Bootstrap website and we used a navbar component from Bootstrap to create a navbar on our website. That makes the Bootstrap navbar easily reusable by anyone. Now let's head over to the Bootstrap website to see the Components tab I'm talking about. Now let's come over here. This is the Bootstrap website, and you click on Get Started there, and you come over here to the Components tab. You click on the Components tab here, and if you notice every item listed under the Components tab here, you see we have the forms, drop downs, collapse, carousel, card, buttons, navs, navbar, popovers, progress, scroll spy, spinners, and lots of them. These are UI components developed by the Bootstrap team. Now, this is what building React applications will look like. We will be building our components that are very fast and more interactive than Bootstrap components using React. Now, let's talk about JSX. JSX is simply an HTML code that's interpreted by JavaScript. So we can say JSX is advanced, or it's the HTML for JavaScript. In this course, we shall be writing JSX, not HTML. So essentially, this is how React works. We build pieces of our entire user interface as independent components, and we piece them together whenever we want and however we want. So enough of the talking, let's get to installing and setting up our environment for React in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.